Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will discuss the question climbing stairs. So let's read the question. You are given a climbing stair. It takes n step to reach the top. Each time you can either climb one or two steps. In how many distinct ways you can climb to the top? Okay, so the question is saying that you will be given a n, basically which is the number of steps, and there is two ways you can walk on the steps, either one step or two step, and you have to tell how many there are distinct means how many there are distinct ways to reach at the top. Means if you are having this if you are having a stair like this, okay, and this is the top. So you need to tell how many distinct way you can reach the top. One way could be that you can simply move one step, one step, one step, one step, one step. This could be the one way. Other way could be you can simply go uh, two step and two step. This is another way. Another could be you moved one step, again you moved two step, again you moved one step, again you moved one step. In this way, you need to tell how many there are distinct ways to reach the top. Okay, so let's discuss the logic. Okay, so suppose you are given a step like this, okay, and which has only one step, and you are standing here. So, how many ways are there to reach the top? There is only one way. You can simply step up, and you will reach at the top. So there is only one way. Okay. Now suppose if you have two steps like this, then how many ways you have? You could jump directly two steps and reach at the top, or you can jump one step and again one step. So only two ways are there. Okay. So you can see that we need to try and tell the answer. So in this type of questions, we can use recursion. Okay, so how we will use that recursion? So in our recursion, we will try all the possible steps. All the possible steps means moving, if I'm standing here, I will try moving two steps ahead, and I will try I will try two steps moving ahead, and also I will try one step moving ahead. And whatever answer I will get by moving one step and two step, we will simply sum up. Okay. Again, if I'm standing here also I have two ways. I can move either two step or I can move either one step. Again, from here also I can move one step or I can move directly two steps. Okay. So means if I'm moving one step or two step, whatever we will get the answer, we will sum up and return it as the answer. Okay. So let's see the code. Yes. So these are the base condition that I have added. If n equal to 0, then it will return 1 because it is already at the top. And if n equal to 1, then there is only one way. It can just move a step and reach at the top. So these are the two base conditions. And here I am doing a recursive call. I am moving one step and summing it what I get by moving two steps. Okay, so here you can see that I have used minus because if the stair is like this and I need to know how many ways I can reach in how many ways I can reach the top is same as if I'm standing at the top and I have to tell in how many ways I can reach at the bottom. So I can start from top also and I can start from the bottom also. We will get the same result. So here I am moving from top to bottom. Okay, so yeah, and here I have called that function by passing the n. So let's see the code. Sorry, let's run it and check it. So it is passing given distance. Let's submit it. Yeah, so we can see that we got TLE. Okay, so why we got TLE? So how we can reduce this? Okay, so if we see the scenario, let me draw the stair. Okay, so I can move one step and I can move two steps. Again, from here, I can move one step and I can move two steps. So here you can see that it is coming at this stair. I can come from this also and this also. So, and it will again move ahead and calculate the result. So there is a recalculation. Means for this also it will calculate, it will go and calculate, and for this call also it will go and recalculate. So uh, it is overlapping problem. So here we can use memoization, and this will solve our problem. So let memorize this code. Uh, I will need to take a vector dp of size n, and I will initialize it with -1, and I will pass it and also declare it here. Vector n dp, and after the base condition, I will check if I have calculated for this n or not. I will check whether dp of n not equals to -1, then I can simply return dp of n, and here before returning I can store it and return. And one more thing, we are starting with n, so we need to take it as n plus 1, otherwise it will give address sanitizer error. So let's run it. Okay, it is giving some error expected. Oh, we didn't pass the DP. No DP error. Yeah, let's run it. Yeah, so it's passing the given test case. Let's submit it. Yeah, it passed all the given test cases. Okay, so this is the memoization approach, and one more approach is there, which is tabulation. So we can convert this memoization code to tabulation. Let's do that also. So we will remove this, and we will have our base condition dp of 0 equal to 1 and dp of 1 equal to 1. This is our base condition, and what I will do, I will simply run a for loop, and I will start it with index 2, because for 1 I have already given us the base condition. So I equal to 2, I lesser than equal to n, and I plus plus, and I will simply what I will do the same thing that is done here. I will write dp of I equal to dp of I minus 1. Here you can see that we are doing n minus 1. The same thing we are doing, I minus 1. There is n and here is I. So that's why I minus 1. And another is n minus 2. So plus dp of I minus 2. I minus 2. And we will return dp of n. Okay, let's remove this. Let's run it. Yeah, now submit it. Yeah, it passed all the given test cases. And another way is that here you can see that we have used a vector. We can eliminate this also. So this will become space optimized. So what we can do, we can simply remove this vector and we will take a variable. We can tell it a step one. A step one equal to 1, and in place of vector, just we need to use variable step 2 equal to 1. And in the same way, in place of I minus 1, I can write step 1 and step 2. And before, yeah, what to do with this? What we will do, we will, 1 minute, we will take a variable uh, and name it as next, mm, and we'll assign next as step 1 plus step 2, and we will do step 2. Step 1 equals to sorry, step 2 equals to step 1, and step 1 equals to next, and we will return step 1. So you can see that we have replaced the vector with the variables. Let's run it. Yeah, it passed the given test case. Let's submit it. Yeah, it also passed all the given test cases. So do like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.